lawn renovation time. Let's get it started. Hey guys, don't forget to subscribe, tap the bell so you get instant notifications on future videos, and always leave me a comment in the comment section. I always reply. As you can see, here we are. Glyphosate was put down Wednesday morning. This is Saturday evening. It was orange, but I just gave it a good cut. I cut about half of the length off of it. I intended to do that before they sprayed, but they came by without me knowing. I was going to cut Wednesday night, actually. But some people just leave it and just let it go and let it go and let it go, and then they'll scalp it down, and some people just let it go and till it in. What I'm doing is I scalped it down like this. I mean, I'm going to cut it lower, but I definitely gave it a good trim now so that I could expose some of the soil. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to water, and hopefully it's going to rain, and that will encourage the green that you see still around to push. And I'm also trying to encourage anything else that's left laying around that wants to try to grow. We're going to go ahead and encourage it and try to get it to grow too. So for this next week, I'm actually going to water the hell out of this thing and try to push growth out of anything I can. That way, when they come back and do the second coat, I'm sure that everything that's trying to grow in here will get sprayed. So that's the long-term goal. However, got a little stripe that's going on here with the dead grass. Well, that does it for today's video, the first step of killing off your lawn. I will be updating frequently, so don't forget to subscribe and tap the bell for instant notifications on future content.